You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A Latin name, the scientific species name for what is commonly known as simply onion or onions, the plant. In Latin, it is said as Allium cepa, classical Latin, or Allium cepa in Italian Church Latin. Allium cepa in Latin, or in English it's generally more simply referred to as Allium cepa. Allium cepa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.